In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find animation controls in Wix Studio, how to apply them to text or elements, and how to choose effects that look polished and professional. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your site's dashboard. From the dashboard, choose the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This brings you into the editor, where you'll see your page laid out on the canvas. Once you're on your site, click the element or the text you want to animate. Make sure the element is actually selected. You'll see its bounding box and handles around it. This tells Wix that any changes you make next should apply specifically to that item. Now, look to the right side of the editor. That's where the settings panel lives. If the panel is collapsed, open it so you can access the controls for the selected element. In this panel, find the lightning icon. This is the animations and effects area. Click it to open your animation options. You'll see an entrance section which controls how your element appears when the page loads or when it comes into view. Under entrance, click add to attach an animation to the element. This is where the fun begins. From here, you can select the specific animation that fits your design. You'll see options like reveal, expand, shutters, and more. Hovering each option typically shows a quick preview, making it easy to compare styles before you commit. A few practical tips as you choose. Reveal is great for subtle, elegant motion that doesn't distract. Expand works well when you want something to feel a bit more dynamic, like a headline that pops. Shutters adds a sleek, layered feel that can fit modern layouts. Aim for consistency across your page. Using one or two styles repeatedly will look more intentional than mixing many different effects. Once you add an animation, you'll often have controls for things like duration, delay, and direction. Shorter durations feel snappier. A small delay can help stagger multiple items, so they don't all animate at once. Keep accessibility and performance in mind. Use motion to guide attention, not to overpower the content, and avoid heavy or excessive effects that can slow down the experience. That's it. You've selected your element, opened the right side panel, used the lightning icon, chosen entrance, clicked add, and picked an animation such as reveal, expand, or shutters. Repeat the same process for other elements you want to bring to life, and you're all set.